Welcome to the Blerter tutorial. Today we'll be looking at creating a new event or editing events. The steps are exactly the same, so once you've done it once, it's easy to change and update as you need to. To create an event, select your organisation from the home page, then Events, and Add in the top right corner. On the first page of creating your event, simply fill in the name, time zone, dates, and a description. Feel free to upload an image or logo so your team can easily recognise your event. Page 2 is all about your event's location. Where is the name of your location, and location is the physical address. Next up is deciding your event radius. When you're looking at the map, imagine a nice big circle around your event. This is called your event geofence. Imagine that every time your workforce or team walk into this radius, they'll get a notification and remind them to check into your event. And the same way, when they leave your event radius, they'll be prompted to check out, giving you exact insights to who is on site at your event. Page 3 focuses on who can see your event. When you create an event, it will default to the planning stage, which means only members of your organisation can see it. When you're ready to make your event live, you can choose to change it to anyone so your entire team can jump on. The final step is setting up the Blerter check-in page. The prompts go back to the geofence we touched on before. We recommend setting up a prompt for check-in and check-out so they get a notification reminder. Check-out has a third option so they are automatically checked out when they leave your geofence. From here, you have the option to add 3 critical messages to your check-in page. This can be motivational for event days or health and safety focused for pack-in and pack-out. Depending on what's going on at your event that day, your messages can be changed daily so your team is engaged with only the information relevant to them. Once you hit save, this will create your event, or make the changes if you were editing the event. The event dashboard will show you all of the event details and give you the option to move your event to active when you're ready to go live, or complete when your event is over. Make sure you follow the prompts in the pop-up so you don't have to backtrack later on. Thanks for listening and enjoy creating your first event.